If you are a business owner, a content creator, or someone who just uses ChatGPT to improve their productivity, and you're still using ChatGPT like Google, you're missing out big time. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps to get pro-level results from ChatGPT with real business use cases. Let's dive in. So step 1, give ChatGPT a role. Don't just say things like write a message. Instead, tell ChatGPT who it should be while writing this message. That way, you're going to get results that actually sound professional and helpful for the output that you want. So let's see an example. Let's say you want to write a welcome message. Don't just go and tell ChatGPT, write a welcome email for new customers. That is too generic, and as you can see here, the result is very generic. It is not specific. So when you get this kind of output, it's not going to improve your productivity because you're still going to spend hours editing this and tweaking this to fit your needs. So why don't just write a well specific prompt like this so that ChatGPT can give you a result where you don't need a lot of editing or tweaking. So instead of writing that, instead write, you are a business marketing expert who writes engaging emails for small businesses. Write a welcome email for new customers of an online skincare brand. As we can see, this prompt looks specific enough, and let's see the result. You can see that this result now looks more specific to your brand, and here you can just copy it and do just a little tweaking and it is ready for use, unlike the previous output that needs you to do the editing all over, inputting every details of your brand. Step 2, be clear about what you want. ChatGPT works best when you are very specific. Instead of telling ChatGPT, make a social media post, why not try to write a more specific prompt in order to get results tailored to your output? That way you're not wasting your time editing later. Let's see an example. So here we wrote a prompt telling ChatGPT, make a social media post for Instagram. We can see this result looks very generic. It is not tailored specific to what you want. Let's see this other prompt. Write 3 Instagram captions for a hair salon's weekend promo. Keep it fun and under 100 words. Now this prompt is more specific because you're telling ChatGPT how to the tone in order to keep your output, and also the length of your output. This is very important, under 100 words, because ChatGPT can even generate 500 words for you. But so always make your prompt very specific. As we can see, ChatGPT gives us exactly what we asked for. Step 3, tweak it until it is perfect. So you don't need to accept the first answer that ChatGPT gave you. You need to understand that ChatGPT is a communicative tool, so you can actually chat with it. Ask ChatGPT to improve your answer. Say things like, oh, make it sound more friendly, add emojis, make it shorter, make it more elaborate. That way you keep refining it until it fits your brand. Let's see an example. So let's go back to our Instagram caption prompts. So here, after this result, we wrote another prompt saying, make it more friendly, add emojis, and make it elaborate. So now we can see that our post now has emojis. It sounds more friendly. For example, the first caption here starts with hey beauty. As we can see, that sounds more fun and is going to fit your brand perfectly for the post you're trying to make on Instagram. Also, we can see some emojis here, and you can just copy this and use with little editing. So that actually improves your productivity. So for a little recap, remember to use ChatGPT like a pro. Always give it a role. Secondly, be clear about what you want. And thirdly, always refine your results until you get the specific output that you desire. Start using these steps in your business today, and you're going to save hours every week and improve your productivity significantly.